The word PROSHIKA is formed from the first letters of three Bangla words: Proshikshan, training; Shiksha, education; and cause, action. The organization aims to transform socially disadvantaged and low-income groups into skilled human resources through training and education, coupled with essential technical and financial support services.
PROSHIKA মানবিক উন্নয়ন কেন্দ্র একটি বেসরকারি উন্নয়ন সংস্থা যা 1976 সনে যাত্রা শুরু করে বাংলাদেশের গ্রাম এবং শহরের পিছিয়ে পড়া জনগোষ্ঠীর আর্থসামাজিক উন্নয়নের লক্ষ্যে এই দীর্ঘদিন ধরে আমরা এই কার্যক্রমটি পরিচালনা করে আসছি।
PROSHIKA envisages a Bangladesh society which is economically productive and equitable, socially just, environmentally sound, and genuinely democratic. Conduct a long-term, extensive, and intensive participatory, sustainable development process through empowerment of the poor. Through its programs across the country, PROSHIKA has expanded its activities up to June 2025 in 50 districts, 224 Upazilas, and 484 branch offices, forming around 72,000 groups comprising 500,000 women and 165,000 men as members. The organization's development efforts are supported by 3,500 skilled male and female staff working both in the central office and across the country.
PROSHIKA মানবিক উন্নয়ন কেন্দ্র তার কার্যক্রমকে দুটি ভাগে ভাগ করে। একটি কাজ হলো ফিনান্সিয়াল সার্ভিসেস, অর্থাৎ পিছিয়ে পড়া মানুষদেরকে ঋণ কার্যক্রমের মাধ্যমে তাদের অর্থনৈতিক উন্নয়নে সহায়তা করা। আরেকটি ভাগ হয়েছে সামাজিক সুরক্ষা কার্যক্রম। সমাজে যে বিষয়গুলো রয়েছে, যে অসুবিধাগুলি রয়েছে, সেই সব অসুবিধা দূর করার জন্য আমরা সামাজিক সুরক্ষা কার্যক্রম বাস্তবায়ন করে থাকি।
Women's Development and Empowerment Program, Anti-Drug Awareness and Prevention Program, PROSHIKA Health and Disability Development Program, Legal Aid Program, Disaster Management, Relief and Rehabilitation Program, People's Cultural Development Program, Environment, Climate Change and Adaptation Program, Technical and Vocational Education and Training, TVET, Water Supply, Sanitation and Construction Division, Education Program, Honey and Mustard Oil Production and Marketing Program, Water Filter, Bishuddha Production and Marketing, PROSHIKA Fine Arts Center.
Women constitute nearly half of Bangladesh's population. One of PROSHIKA's core development principles is to integrate women into the development process by eliminating gender discrimination and ensuring gender equality. Key initiatives includes awareness sessions in schools on adolescence, child marriage, menstruation, and hygiene, along with the distribution of sanitary napkins among adolescent schoolgirls. Promoting small and medium-scale women entrepreneurs to enhance income and employment. Organizing meetings, rallies, publications, and cultural events. Dialogue sessions with civil society representatives on preventing violence and harassment against women, girls, and children. To ensure a productive and healthy workforce essential for national development, PROSHIKA organizes courtyard meetings, school programs, and awareness campaigns with parents, youth, local representatives, and civil society members. Activities include leaflet and sticker distribution, banners, rallies, and magazine publications to raise awareness about the dangers of drug abuse. Additionally, the program assists drug-addicted individuals in rehabilitation and reintegration into normal life through proper treatment and counseling. Through this program, financial and employment support is provided to persons with disabilities and their families. Awareness sessions and free distribution of assistive devices for persons with disabilities. Mobility aids and financial support for individuals with limited mobility. Free surgeries and medicines for children with cleft lip and palate. Free medical camps and medicine distribution across the country. Free breast cancer screening and awareness campaigns. Regular blood pressure and diabetes checkups for PROSHIKA staff, along with primary healthcare services. Regular breast cancer scanning program.
Provides legal support to underprivileged men and women nationwide. Conducts meetings, assemblies, and courtyard sessions to raise awareness about women's, children's, and human rights laws.
Assists people in accessing government-provided legal aid.
Offers free legal counsel through PROSHIKA's panel of lawyers. On 28 April 2025, PROSHIKA participated in the National Legal Aid Day Fair at the Osmani Memorial Auditorium and observed the day at its branches across the country. During natural disasters and pandemics, low-income communities often face severe economic hardships. PROSHIKA steps in to support these vulnerable families by providing financial aid, food, clothing, and medical assistance, as well as helping rehabilitate damaged homesteads and agricultural lands through providing agricultural inputs and technical support. Since 1981, PROSHIKA has actively supported disaster-affected communities across Bangladesh. Its interventions include relief and rehabilitation efforts during major events such as the 1988 floods, the 1991 cyclone, Cyclone Sidr in 2007, Cyclone Ayla in 2009, and the floods of 2024, among others. Through these sustained efforts, PROSHIKA has helped countless families recover and rebuild their lives, fostering resilience and long-term community stability. Regular activities include distribution of warm clothing among the poor during winter, providing agricultural and productive incentives, free medical services, emergency food and cash support, rescue operations and awareness programs.
This program promotes grassroots cultural engagement to raise awareness and encourage community participation in social change. Activities include formation of community cultural groups, organizing training and workshops, producing and staging people's theater and songs, developing audio-visual materials and promoting them through social media, observing national and international days.
Enhancing beneficiaries' skills in agriculture and climate resilience through training. Expanding urban agriculture and rooftop gardening to reduce the urban heat island effect and promote safe food production. Producing and marketing eco-friendly agricultural materials, PROSHIKA mixed soil. Providing technical consultations on agricultural issues. Promoting institutional forestry for biodiversity conservation and youth participation. Conducting green and clean city campaigns to raise awareness on waste management in schools, markets, and educational institutions. Establishing demonstration gardens, e.g. at the PROSHIKA building, schools, etc., for urban agriculture promotion. Participating in symposiums and national seminars on sustainable agriculture, soil health, nutritious food, and women's empowerment. Participating in urban agriculture fairs to promote climate-smart technologies. implementing the project Promoting Urban Agriculture for Climate Change Adaptation and Improved Nutrition for Urban Dwellers in Rangpur City with UNDP Climate Funds. Signing MOUs with organizations, e.g., Daffodil International University, BSA Foundation for Research and Development Cooperation. Conducting capacity-building training for staff on climate, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Producing booklets, posters, and technical reports, and establishing linkages with national and international research institutions. Under the supervision of the Bangladesh Technical Education Board, BTEB, and the National Skills Development Authority, NSDA, PROSHIKA provides skills development training for unemployed men and women, transforming them into productive manpower. Since 2024, this program has been implemented under the Government of Bangladesh's ASSET project.
Jointly implemented with the Polikarma Sahayak Foundation, PKSF, this division works to improve safe water supply and sanitation systems in rural areas across the country.
Through non-formal education centers, adult literacy programs, rural reading circles, and re-enrollment of dropout children, PROSHIKA has brought nearly 5 million men, women, and children under literacy programs nationwide. Currently, the organization operates PROSHIKA Bidyaniketan, an education program aligned with the national curriculum, focusing on quality and moral education. Meritorious students from group members' families receive scholarships and educational materials, including laptops, to continue their studies. PROSHIKA also provides financial assistance for infrastructure and educational materials to various schools.
To promote healthy cultural practices among students, PROSHIKA has established fine arts centers in Dhaka, Naugaon, and Ghazipur. These centers offer training in music, drawing, handwriting, recitation, and musical instruments under the guidance of experienced instructors.
In Chattogram, Khulna, Rangpur, and Manikganj, PROSHIKA operates integrated agricultural farms focusing on high-yield seed production, preservation, marketing, and poultry and livestock production. The farms also engage in fish farming, cattle fattening, milk production, poultry rearing, and entrepreneurship development, serving as model farms for small and medium-scale farmers.
During the production season, honey is collected directly from the field under the supervision of PROSHIKA central staff, processed, bottled, and packaged with the help of sophisticated machines and marketed under PROSHIKA's own brand. Under the same management, high-quality local mustard is collected from designated farmers, and arrangements are made to produce and market crushed mustard oil in PROSHIKA's own mill. Both these products are Bangladesh Standards and Testing Institution (BSTI) approved.
To keep your family members safe and secure from waterborne diseases, PROSHIKA Water Filter Bishuddha is manufactured and marketed nationwide with technology to purify river, canal, pond or tap water in a natural way without using any chemicals. The filter is tested and proven by BUET, ICDDRB, NGO Forum and Public Health. Through the Financial Security Service Scheme, PROSHIKA members, men and women, have collectively deposited BDT 1,321 crore in savings. Each month, approximately 25,000 members receive BDT 200 crore in loans, enabling them to strengthen their financial capacity, expand income sources, and improve livelihoods.
The center is surrounded by lush greenery and scenic beauty, featuring lakes, cool breezes, and birdsong. The campus spreads over 42 acres of land that includes facilities for hosting training courses, seminars, workshops, meetings, and conferences. It also offers facilities for sports, recreation, fitness, quality dining, and international standard accommodation.
প্রশিকা প্রায় 50 বছর ধরে এই উন্নয়ন কর্মকাণ্ড পরিচালিত হচ্ছে। এর সাথে জড়িত আছে দেশি বিদেশি অনেক স্টেক হোল্ডার, যারা আমাদের পরামর্শ দিয়ে অর্থ দিয়ে সহায়তা করে, এবং বিশেষ করে পিছিয়ে পড়া জনগোষ্ঠী, যাদেরকে আমরা টার্গেট জনগণ বলি, তারাও আমাদের এই স্টেক হোল্ডার। তাদের পরামর্শ নিয়েও আমরা কার্যক্রমগুলি অনেক উন্নত করে থাকি, উৎকর্ষ করে থাকি। তারাও আমাদের অংশীজন বলে আমরা ধরে নিতে পারি। প্রশিকার একটা দক্ষ কর্মবাহিনী রয়েছে। বর্তমানে প্রায় 3500 কর্মকর্তা কর্মচারী রয়েছে, যারা সারা দেশে এই কার্যক্রমগুলি বাস্তবায়ন করে। আমি বলছি যে এরা খুবই কমিটেড এবং মানুষের জন্য কাজ করার জন্য এদের একটা মন আছে, দৃঢ়তা রয়েছে। সেই সংগ্রাম আমরা দীর্ঘদিন ধরে করেছি। এই সংগ্রাম এখনও চলছে, ভবিষ্যতেও চলবে, এবং এই কার্যক্রম আমরা চালিয়ে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ।